Good morning, students. Today we will start the new chapter, the Mauryan Empire. Before going into the detail of Mauryan Empire, let us talk about this person whose picture you are seeing on your screen. This is the picture of Chanakya or Kautilya, the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya. Once the last ruler or the last king of Nanda dynasty, Dhanananda, disobeyed the instruction of Chanakya and insulted him and made him to get out from the court. And that time Chanakya or Kautilya promised Dhanananda that one day he would return to his court with a proper king with him. And he trained a boy from a tribal background who was Chandragupta Maurya, trained him like a real king, and Chandragupta Maurya gradually trained himself, and when he got the chance, killed Dhanananda and captured the throne of Magadha and established the Mauryan Empire. But not only this, Chanakya trained Chandragupta Maurya along with written instructions and proper policies which needed to be followed. Chanakya's instructions are written in one text which is called Arthashastra, and that Arthashastra is a most important literary source to know about Mauryan history. So students, we are talking about Mauryan Empire and the foundation of the Mauryan Empire by Chandragupta Maurya. And his teacher was Chanakya or Kautilya, who trained Chandragupta Maurya and made him the king. On his own capability, Chandragupta Maurya became the first emperor of India or captured a huge amount of area. Today we will discuss that also. Along with this person, we need to remember about this person also. He was Megasthenes. He came from Greece to the court of Chandragupta Maurya and written down one document which is called Indica, and which is another important source to know about Mauryan history. So we are talking about Mauryan Empire and the two most important sources. One is Indica, written by a foreign traveler named Megasthenes, and another is Arthashastra, written by the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya or the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya. It was Arthashastra, written by Kautilya or Chanakya.